Hello everyone, I am Jaideep Lokur. Today, this is the second video of sales and distribution organization structure. Earlier we talked about the definitions. Now in this discussion, we will talk about one example. Let us take one organization AB and that organization is in one country. They sell their product in domestic market and foreign market as well. In domestic market, they sell direct and also through dealers. They have two different product groups. One product group is CPG products and other is automobile products. They have two plants, one for the CPG products and another for automobile, and both the plants are at different places. Raw material and final products are stored separately in each plant. Automobile products are shipped via road and rail, whereas CPG products are shipped via road. So this is the setup. Now let's see how we can represent this organization in SAP with various organization units. So we will be having the company code AB, under which we will be having two sales organizations. One is domestic and another one is export. Under sales organization domestic, we will be having two distribution channels. One is direct and another is through dealer. Whereas under the export sales organization, we will be having only one distribution channel, which is direct. Both the sales organizations are selling CPG products as well as automobile products. And that is where we will be having both the divisions under each sales organization. Now we are earlier learned that sales area is nothing but a combination of sales organization, distribution channel, and division. So in this example, which are the sales areas? First one, domestic sales organization, direct distribution channel, and CPG division. Second, domestic sales organization, direct distribution channel, and automobile division. Third, domestic sales organization, dealer distribution channel, CPG division. Fourth, domestic sales organization, dealer distribution channel, and automobile division. Fifth, export sales organization, direct distribution channel, and CPG division. Sixth, export sales organization, direct distribution channel, and automobile division. Please note, as export sales organization is not selling through dealer, we will not be having sales area, which is sales organization exports, dealer distribution, and CPG division. We will not have that. Similarly, we will not have export sales organization, dealer distribution, and automobile division. So now you must have understood how we have represented the organization structure. Now, when we talk about the distribution, we talked about the sales area and the company code. Now, for this organization structure, we are discussing now the plant and storage location and shipping point. So for company AB, they have two plants. One is CPG plant and another is automobile plant. For both the sales organizations, the goods are shipped from the CPG plant and automobile plant. So we will be having two plants, CPG plant and automobile plant. Under each plant, we have two storage locations. One is for the raw material and another is for the finished goods. Also, we know that the CPG plant, you have only truck bay. You don't have their rail depot. And that is where for CPG plant, you will be having only one shipping point, that is a road shipping point. Whereas in automobile plant, you have road shipping point and rail shipping point because you have truck bay and rail depot in automobile plant. It is not necessary exactly in the way I describe all the organization structure has to be described. Let's take another example. If your organization is in multiple countries, you will be having multiple company codes based onto the country. Per country, you will be having at least one company code. And if your sales offices are there in each country, you will be having a sales organization per country. And if your sale is through wholesale channel and internet trade channel, then you can have wholesale channel as distribution channel and internet trade as second distribution channel. So based on to the need, based on to the requirement, you have to define your organization structure. So now let's discuss what are the key points we discussed yesterday and today. Sales facility or sales subsidiary is represented by sales organization unit in SAP. Distribution channel is organization unit which represents a means to ship goods to customer. Division is organization unit which represents different product lines. Shipping point is organization unit used to organize and process outbound deliveries. Company code is used to divide corporate group in many companies and subsidiaries. Company code organization unit is used in financial accounting to represent legal entity and independent accounting unit. Different manufacturing units at different places are represented by plant. Stocking facility can also be represented as plant. Within a plant, material storage can be divided by using storage location organization unit. When we talk about the assignments, sales area is a combination of sales organization, distribution channel, and division. Multiple distribution channels can be assigned to one sales organization. Sales organization is assigned to company code so as to have a connection between sales processes and financial accounting. Sales organization can be assigned to only one company code. Multiple plants can be assigned to one sales organization. The shipping point is assigned to plant. One shipping point can be assigned to multiple plants. Storage location are assigned to plant. That's what I wanted to discuss with you today. In our subsequent discussion, we will move in the next topic in sales and distribution. Till then, bye and thank you.